Hi, I'm John with Dyke Industries. Today we're going to show you how to replace this door light right behind me. And an important thing to note is that you will need a helper. So first we're going to show you how to remove one of these light plugs. Simply take a screw, your impact driver, and drive the screw right into the center of the light plug. Gently. Then we'll go ahead and start removing the light frame screws. Before you remove the remaining screws, make sure that you have your helper on the other side because this glass will fall right out. Now that we removed the old glass, make sure that your edges are clean, free of dirt, debris. Use a rag, soapy water. Clean that real nice before you put your replacement glass back in. You don't want any buildup there that's gonna, hinder that from sealing, sitting well on there. So now that we're ready to install the replacement light, have your helper install the exterior part of the light frame from the outside of the home. Install that first. Then I'll set the replacement light in. And then I'll set the interior part of the light frame in. Now we'll go ahead and finish securing it by installing all the screws. So once you have all the screws in, you want to take a screwdriver and go through and just check each screw. Make sure that they're hand tightened. You want them snug, but you don't want to over tighten it, strip something out. You don't want that at all. So just check each one as you go. And the final step is to install these light plugs that come with the new door, or if you get a replacement glass, these will always be stuck to the glass. So don't toss them. These are very important. You want to install these. There is one little plug for each screw location. So just take it and press it in as far as you can with your fingers. The easiest thing to do then is to take a wood block, just a small wood block or a shim. Use your hammer and just lightly, be very careful, but lightly tap it all the way in. Thanks for watching. That is how you replace a door light.
For additional resources and planning tools, be sure to check out the Dyke Edge Door Configurator at dykedoors.com.